Alright, so this is where we're at now. We were using these types of clips, and then we decided that we would go to clothespins because they seem to work better. Anyway, so this is what we managed to come up with so far. Little bamboo waterfall. Not much dripping out right now. Well, I think we're getting her figured out. Comes down here, changes the angle of attack, and we're into the bucket. Control valve down there for just to get the right flow. So it's all right. We got the vine coming along. I don't know if that vine wasn't like that last time. I don't think it's coming along quite strongly. It's gonna move right along and grow in amongst that. I'm pleased to so far anyway. Might get some more bamboo and change it up a bit, but for now it's working. We're going to take some stone here, and that one there, and that one there, and that one there, and that one. We're going to take all those stones over there and move them over here and around here, over and around all that, make it look better. See what we can come up with there. It's fun. Fun project. Get back here and see what it looks like. Not bad at all. Happy.
Of course, I did all the work.
Well, you helped a little.
A little. You're right, very little.
Yeah. Well, your help, good help.